Understanding the phrase, trombone brand. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a unique phrase, trombone brand. This phrase isn't just about musical instruments. It has a deeper meaning in the English language. So, let's dive in and understand what trombone brand really means. At first glance, trombone brand seems to refer to a brand or make of a trombone, which is a brass musical instrument. However, in English, this phrase can be used metaphorically. It often signifies something that is distinctive or recognizable due to its unique features, just like how different brands of trombones have specific characteristics that set them apart. The phrase can be used in various contexts. For example, if a company has a unique way of marketing, one might say, they have a trombone brand style of marketing. This implies that their style is as distinctive and recognizable as a particular brand of trombone. 1. The trombone brand of his leadership is evident in how he handles team conflicts. 2. Her writing style has a trombone brand quality to it, making her articles easily identifiable. In these sentences, trombone brand is used to highlight a unique, identifiable quality in leadership and writing style. Understanding the context is key to comprehending phrases like trombone brand. In different scenarios, this phrase can take on different meanings, but it generally revolves around the idea of uniqueness and recognizability. And that's a wrap on the phrase, trombone brand. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage in the English language. Remember, English is full of such colorful phrases, and learning them can be both fun and enriching. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.